I'm gonna have a giveaway. I'm gonna have a giveaway. I'm gonna have a giveaway. Did you want to win a giveaway? Because I'm gonna have a giveaway. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Hello, hello. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some things I won in a giveaway. Right here. Right here. This. I won both of these. I won a giveaway from BH Cosmetics and Thirdlove over on Instagram. Oh my god. So exciting. So my friend Fatally Flawed Ash had tagged me, yes. They had tagged me in this giveaway post, and it was just from like a week ago or something. Like not that long ago at all. I think I also I commented on it on my last days on work. So I was so surprised when they actually contacted me. Legit. It was legit them. It wasn't the scammers that tried to make new profiles. No, nothing. I won. I won. There were 2 winners. I won. Blew my mind. I've never won a giveaway, so I am super excited to show you what I got. And also, because I won a giveaway, I will also do a giveaway of my own. So stay tuned for that, okay? So this is really exciting. So yes, not only did I win makeup, I won underwear. So I think I'm gonna do the Thirdlove stuff first, and I had no idea what the brand was. I'd never heard of it, but I just had one of my friends actually just comment on my Facebook telling me that they've been wearing their bras for forever. So that's cool. So this was actually quite a big box, and I knew they were only sending me, because of course the photo of the giveaway, I knew they were only sending me a bra and 2 panties. So they did ask me though what sizes I wanted, which was nice. I didn't know they were getting shipped separate. Like I had no idea how this was gonna work. So I got the BH Cosmetics first, and then this came actually the same day, just later, and I had them shipped to my husband's shop. So it was kind of funny. I went and picked up the makeup earlier in the day, and then he came home with the other box and handed it to me. Now with this box, they actually had an invoice in here, and you know, it doesn't list prices or anything, it just shows what was in it, and I guess I could exchange if it didn't fit, so that's actually really nice. And I already took the stuff out of the packaging and stuff, but this is kind of what it looked like in the box, and I know this looks huge, but I do have big boobs, so but I will say I chose the correct size. I'm so happy that I looked at like the sizing chart and everything, because I actually haven't worn a regular bra in a long time. I like wearing like sports bras types things, so I chose 40E. And it fits, so I'm hoping that I lose weight. But also, this is a motherfucking padded bra. It looks like you can actually take the padding out, because you can see this little thing in here. So not only is it a big boob bra, but it's a padded bra. So I'm probably going to take those out. But I'm still laughing at the size, only because I didn't realize that my boobs were this big. But it fits. Oddly enough, if you want to see me try this on, let me know in the comments down below. I'm not going to do that in this video, but it's actually a very nice bra. I didn't like wear it for any extended amounts of time, because of course I want to wash it first, but very nice closures on the back. It was comfortable. And then I also got underwear. They sent me in the same color, blue. I think this is like a new color for them, so I got a pair of regular panties, and then drop in the box. They also sent me a thong, and there we go. And let's see what else is in the box. So it just says, our perfect fit promise, Thirdlove, 60 days to try it. If you don't love it for any reason, we'll take it back. So that's kind of nice, how to make sure it's your perfect fit. So we got a little card and just yeah, 100% fit guarantee in the box. It says the best bra is one you never think about. And again, don't forget to stick around to the end of the video, because then I will also be doing a giveaway. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what I won from BH Cosmetics. This was just really freaking awesome. So 2 people won it. So this is the box. I'm going to take the biggest thing out first. And so I won a brush set. So this is Poolside Chic 12-piece brush set from BH Cosmetics. So that's cool. Of course, everything is blue themed. That was the whole theme of the giveaway. Alright, so I got so that shit go, let that shit go. I'm so stupid. Let that shit go. But this is the color. Ooh. A very pretty color. I don't think I'm going to open that up yet, because I have so many lip products that are already open. And actually, I got a few similar to this, so I'm going to leave that for right now. Let that shit go. And then I got this glitter liner. I already opened this up and checked it out. Super pretty, also blue, but I think when I put it on my skin, it was like more just iridescent. I don't know. Can you see that? I don't know. Anyways, it is very nice. Like it a lot. That's OMG glitter. And what I'm wearing on my eyes right now, I have the Do Not Disturb palette. This is from that line. What is the line called? I don't know. Okay, I gotta read the back of this actually. It says, keep the buzzkills away and stay in your zone with Do Not Disturb. Moody, cerulean shades, and brilliant blues, and icy, cool violets for days when you just can't. Broad to your heart's content, and don't be afraid to hit the mute button with ultra pigmented mattes and high shine shimmers that scream, bitch, don't kill my vibe. Love that. Okay, so this is what it looks on the inside. So the mirror says Do Not Disturb around it. Let me fold that back though so I don't blind you with my light. And this is the color story right here. I used all the middle blues. I used this dark blue, and then I used this in the inner corner. And first impression, it's not a review or anything, but the colors are very nice. I didn't have any fallout on my face, and because I had already done my face makeup. The only thing I could say is this one was super soft, so I barely touched it with my little tiny brush, and like it kind of crumbled. Crumble's not the right word, but I don't know what to say. But anyways, I liked this so much. Can't wait to play with them more. So the next thing I'm going to show you, this is small, but I got the Aquamarine March palette. So they do a palette for every month. It says You're Looking Like a Dream Aquamarine. So it's cute, but that's the color story there. All these look really nice on the inside. Like, I really can't wait to play with this. And this glitter right here, Jet Setter, is the name of it. So is that Slightly Sky, and also this one, Aquamarine. I like this palette. I've seen the other monthly palettes, and some of them are really meh. This one's really nice. I don't know if it'll stick. Might not be able to do that later. Okay, and the next thing. So I got the Paris palette. This is a 16 pan. Passion in Paris. There we go. So this says, fall in love with passion in Paris, a high fashion vegan mix of romantic deep berries and cool toned hues with powerful payoff. Twinkling shimmer and buttery matte finishes. Cool. Oh, that will stay put from your morning croissant to your evening glass of wine. So this one does not have a mirror. I already opened these. A lot of these had protective plastic just over the shadow parts, which is weird. So it's got this, it says Passion in Paris with like a little stamp like you're traveling, but this is inside of that palette, and also very nice color story. I like it. Not too many neutrals, which is nice. I don't mind some. But this is very nice, so I can't wait to play with that. I really like these shimmery purples, and I guess it's like a purple blue black. I don't know, but that's cool. Okay, and the next thing I got is the Blueberry Muffin palette. So this came with the protective sleeve, and then it came with a protective plastic. This was not covered, but so it looks like this. It says Blueberry Muffin, just repeating on the front. So this is also a 16 color palette. Now this does have a mirror. It's got blueberries on the inside, so I'm gonna fold that back so again I don't blind you. This is a kind of a lighter palette, I guess. Definitely more, yeah, more like cool toned, I think. But also very pretty. The shimmers in here. It has I think some more neutrals. But kind of goes with the theme of Blueberry Muffin. I didn't try that one either. That's so cool. One more thing left. So I got the Bubblegum, the Sweet Shop palette. So again, this comes in a protective packaging. And so same thing on the front. There we go. This is the blue palette, of course. So Sweet Shop Bubblegum. Anyways, this does have a mirror. There we go. It has a protective sheet. Now I'm not going to take this off. I already own this palette. This was one of the first ones I got from this collection, but here you can see the colors. Very pretty, very pretty. So that is going to go in the giveaway. That is everything that I got from the stuff I won from BH Cosmetics. So that's so exciting. So I never thought I would win, but I guess the odds of winning are better than winning the lottery, because there was only like 1,000 comments. So I mean, yeah, amazing. Okay, so now for my giveaway. I'm gonna have a giveaway. I'm gonna have a giveaway. I'm gonna have a giveaway. Did you want to win a giveaway? Because I'm gonna have a giveaway. Win this giveaway. July 2021 makeup giveaway. How about that? Anyways, so this is going to be the first thing I add to the giveaway. Okay, so yes, this one, because I already own it, so I'm going to put that in the giveaway. This is the Sweet Shop Bubblegum. There we go. And some of these things I just had laying around because they came in boxes and I just didn't want them. So now we have the K-Gloss Highlighter. Luminous Highlighter Palette, but it comes in very nice cardboard packaging here. So this is the highlighter palette that I will put in the giveaway. Next thing I'm going to have, I don't believe I opened this, nope, because it has little plastic things. So this is Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. Okay, so I'm not going to open it because again it's got plastic on the side, so I'm just going to include that. Next thing I'm going to have for you is the Apple Plus Balm Glow Lip Mask from Seraphine Botanicals for my own. It's pretty nice. I like it. So I'm going to put that in. Next thing we're going to put in, this is the Brenda Dillon Kelly Lip Cream from the 90210 set. So you can kind of see the color there at the bottom. It's a red. I forgot I found this on my dining room table. I'm going to add this to the giveaway. This is the Violet Voss Windflower. Windflower? Yeah, Windflower. Fun size. I'm going to add this to the giveaway. Alright, and then the last thing is I'm going to include a mascara. This is the Tarte Man Eater Mascara. Haven't touched this either. This is it just in black. There we go. So yeah, that's everything you can win in my giveaway. So, of course, I do ask that you be subscribed to my channel. Be 18 years of age older. You have to live in the United States to win. Be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and that's it. I'm not going to make you use a word or anything, just, but yes, comment down below, let me know what you thought of the stuff that I won, let me know what you think about the stuff that I'm giving away, and let me look at my phone, I don't even know what the date is. I'm going to close this, okay, so today's the 21st, so I'm going to close this on the 27th, because the 27th is the day right before I go back to work. Good luck on the giveaway. Yeah, so I think every time I win a giveaway, that's when I will do a giveaway. How about that? I think that sounds good. Yeah, so anyways, I will talk to you later. Don't forget I upload every single day. Good luck. Okay, bye.